Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you the overview of the newest BlueSky app. So let's get started. So let's open the BlueSky app from here. Okay. So basically, BlueSky app is an app where it's like a ripoff of the Twitter. Okay. So as you can see here, so basically you can just share your ideas anonymously at here and opinions on the things. Okay, so for example, as you can see here, it's given like 250. So it's very smooth from previous version and it's very looking good, and I think so they should improve and they should not copy the Twitter same to same. I And they have done some innovation also at their hashtag as well. Here you can see. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.